Hi everyone, welcome to this demonstration on Smart SOAR's integration with Trend Micro Vision 1. Using this integration, users can automate alert management, email management, endpoint management, and more. In order to create a connection to your environment, you add your server URL and authentication token and hit save. Once the connection is up and running, all of the 18 commands available on the left-hand side here will be ready for you to use. One of the use cases Smart SOAR clients can take advantage of is automated alert management. So analysts can keep alerts up to date inside Trend Micro Vision 1 using automations from Smart SOAR playbooks. The add alert note command can be used after a playbook task retrieves valuable contextual data that wasn't included in the original alert. And to keep information accurate and up to date, unnecessary or outdated notes can also be deleted with the delete alert note command. Finally, the edit alert status command can be used to keep alerts synchronized between Smart SOAR and Trend Micro Vision 1. The second common use case we see is endpoint management. By utilizing the isolate endpoint command, compromised endpoints can be isolated either automatically or manually from within Smart SOAR when potential threats are detected. Once the endpoints have been thoroughly evaluated and deemed safe, the restore endpoints command can be used to restore their normal network access, ensuring minimal disruption to operations while also maintaining a secure environment. The third use case we see are for email-based threats. Security teams can use the quarantine email message command to quarantine suspicious or malicious email messages, preventing them from reaching users' inboxes and reducing the risk of successful phishing or malware attacks. To prevent false positives and ensure legitimate emails are delivered without delay, the remove from block list command is also available to remove incorrectly blocked emails. These are three examples of how users can take advantage of the advanced integration between Trend Micro Vision 1 and D3 Security Smart SOAR.